Hi, I'm Klara the dog. Today I received a goodie bag in the mail. It's from the kind people at Good Boy. Let's see what's inside. They sent me some treats. I'm going to try the beef strips first. Oh yes, these are yummy. I could eat a whole bag of these. These chicken, apple and cranberry sticks smell tasty. These are delicious. They are a bit long, let's chop them into smaller pieces. That's better. The real test of a treat is if I'll perform tricks for them. Will I spin? Sit? Lie down? Wow, these must be really good. Let's try the chicken sticks. Will I sit? Spin? And lie down? These are definitely Klara approved. They also sent me a cute monkey toy. I've never seen a real monkey before. Yeah, I will be taking this home to play with. And they sent me this funny duck. Well, I think these are indoor toys. Let's take them home. Duck has certainly got my attention. It feels well made. I don't think I'll destroy it anytime soon. But monkey is my favourite. This is going to keep me entertained for a long time. Wow, this has been a fantastic day. Thanks to my friends at Good Boy, their treats and toys are definitely Klara approved. See you soon for more adventures!